Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have SONOS 5 speaker and I'm going to show you how can you easily update networks. At first you have to click on your SONOS app and open it. Now you have to click on this gear icon over here. Now you have to click Manage. Now you have to click on Network, Manage Networks and click Update Networks. Now you have to click Continue, and wait a moment. As you can see, this is our product. We have to click Select, click Continue, and wait a moment. Now we have to click Continue. And now we have to click on the back this button that is showed on our screen. Now we have to click use different network or use this one network. We'll use this network, and now we have to insert our password there. Now we have to click connect and wait a moment. Now we have to click done. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.